Guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your NECO result without spending a dime. As you can see, we're in the world of technology where everything is possible on your mobile device except you don't know how to do it. 2023 NECO results have been officially released and I'm going to show you how to check it using your token on your mobile phone. All you need to do is to process more data on your phone and have smart browser. So if it is your first time of coming to my channel, consider subscribing and turn on the notification button so that anytime I post another useful video like this, you'll be the first person to see it. Let's go. So guys, the first thing to do is to have smart browser on your phone. You can use Chrome or Firefox, but here I'm using Chrome. The next thing is to type in NECO result. And as you can see, the first one there is their official website, which is the one on the page. Good, click on it now. It will take you to this place. Guys, all you need to do is to scroll down. To check your NECO result, the first thing you need to do is to purchase token. Okay, you have to purchase token. So you have to click on purchase token now. Then it will take you to this place, and the next thing to do is to register here. You have to register. If you have an account, if you have an existing account, you can log in. But if it is your first time, you click on create account here. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Click on create account. Then it will take you to this place. You have to enter your necessary information, your first name, surname, email address, phone number, password. Then you confirm. Okay, can we give it a trial? Let's go. First name, last name, then you enter your email address. That is good. Enter your phone number, then enter your password. You confirm the password here, then click on create account. As you can see, we have created our account now. You can now go to login. All right, click on login now. As you can see, guys, we have logged in to our portal, and our purchase, we have not purchased any token. All you need to do is to click on purchase token. Then you enter the number of token you want to purchase here. Let's say 4 or 1. Since it is only checking your result, you enter 1, click on proceed, and 1 token is sold at 925 naira now. All you need to do now is to click on make payment. Okay, then they'll take you to remitter. In remitter here, they'll just provide you with where you can check these details first. If they are yours, click on submit. All right, after everything, you're going to make your payment here, which you will click on the card there to select your payment option. We have card, you have bank transfer, USSD, e-naira, bank branch, remitter. You select the one you want. Let's say bank transfer. You understand? After clicking on bank transfer, you copy this account number, go to your mobile bank app or USSD transfer and transfer the money to this account number. When you are done, you click on I have sent money. After clicking on I have sent money, you have to go back to your remitter now. Sorry, you have to go back to the main page. Good. You come here now. So the next thing to do now is to click on check results. Can you see it now? You can see check result here. So click on it. Then enter your token number, which is the token number you just purchased. You enter the token number here. Enter your registration number, your NECO registration number here. You understand? Then you enter the examination year 2023. You enter the examination type, which is SSCE external if you are an external student, or internal if you are an internal student. Having done that, the next thing to do is to click on check result. And immediately you click on check result, your result will be displayed here, display like this, which you will now save as PDF or download to your mobile phone, or you can simply screenshot it. So this is what I have for you. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.